Hi there, I'm Beth Fahey, EOS Implementer and Great Boss Workshop Facilitator. I spend most of my days teaching leadership teams EOS, or the Entrepreneurial Operating System. I absolutely love this system because it's all about being open and honest, getting on the same page, and solving those lingering issues that most companies don't want to deal with. One of the things that I often see when I look at my clients' issues list are a lot of symptoms, not root causes. And because I have some objectivity, I can see themes within their issues lists a little bit more clearly than they can. One of the themes I very often see is a lack of LMA, or leading, managing, and holding people accountable. It's actually an epidemic. The reason is that most of us have very little training in this area, especially the entrepreneurial companies that I work with. Professional development is the last thing that they're focused on because they're too busy building the plane as they're flying it. That's why I'm so passionate about facilitating the Great Boss workshops. It's that 200-level course on learning how to become a great leader and manager. It's the training my teams need beyond what I can do as their EOS implementer. The workshop applies to all bosses, leadership, mid-level managers, and new managers. There truly is something for everyone. For upcoming Great Boss workshop dates, click the link below. Please take the time to invest in yourself and your leaders. I promise, most of your lingering issues will go away once you get great at LMA.